Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. You'll get 2 new videos every week. Now, it's a chilly Saturday morning in October. Guess what I'm making? Pumpkin spiced waffles. It's the perfect breakfast for any fall morning. I really hope you guys like this recipe. Stick around and we'll get started. Alright, to get started, we have a list of our ingredients. For our dry ingredients, we have 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of black brown sugar that's been packed, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1.5 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been melted, and 2 eggs. To get started, we're just going to whisk all of our dry ingredients together. I'm going to add all of our spices to the mix. Alright. Now we're going to mix all of our wet ingredients together. So starting with the pumpkin, the milk, get these 2 mixed up. We're going to add our eggs, both of them. Perfect. Now we're going to add our melted butter that's been cooled. And our vanilla. We really want to get this butter mixed in. We want everything to be nice and homogeneous. Now we're going to combine our wet into our dry. Now I'm going to switch to my silicone spatula. This is very important here to not over mix. So we're just going to mix it through lightly until it's just combined. Alright, that's perfect. Now, you want to mix just until the streaks are gone. The lumps are totally fine in this. We want this waffle to stay light and fluffy, so we're not going to over mix it. Okay, so now here's the thing. I don't have a waffle maker, but I do have a waffle pan to bake these off in. This recipe is good for baking, and it's also good for a waffle iron if you have a waffle iron. So what I'm doing is dividing my batter out evenly. Alright, now that I've gotten them filled, I'm going to place them in my preheated oven. That's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. And we're going to bake these off for 15 to 18 minutes. I'll see you guys when they're out of the oven. Now, while our pumpkin waffles are baking off, we're going to make a cream cheese glaze or an icing to go on top of these, and it's just going to take them that much further. Okay, so we have 4 ounces of cream cheese in our bowl with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, confectioner sugar, icing sugar, whatever kind of sugar you want to call it. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, just depending on how thin we want it. First, we're going to mix this powdered sugar with our cream cheese. Perfect. Doesn't that look delicious, you guys? We're gonna spread this on top of our waffles when they come out. Smear it in all those holes. So what'd you guys think? Oh my God. Cannot wait to try these. You can taste all the spices, and the cream cheese really tones down how sweet these are. Look at what they look like on the inside. Look at that great rise. All that, those bubbles, all that structure inside there. You guys, holy moly. Now, like I said, you can use this recipe in a regular waffle iron if you've got one. You can also use this to make pancakes. It's actually perfect for such a cold morning, and I really hope you guys give it a try. Again, if you like videos like this and want to see 2 new ones every week, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I promise I won't disappoint you all. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below also, so more people can see videos like this. That's all I've got for today, but don't forget to tune in on Thursday for another wonderful recipe. From my home to yours. Enjoy.